SnirtStopper will seal your door to keep snow, dirt, rain outside where it belongs. This is a door in the area without our bottom sealer. And then this is a door in the area with our bottom sealer. Huge difference. If you look at our sides and our top seal, you see this. That is not sealing to your door because it's old or it's cold, so you get that type of light. And then our product can go over your existing weather stripping. When this comes down, that thermal tube rests against your door and your floor. That's what seals up all those gaps. If you look at our two flaps, we have a flap with a loop and a flap without a loop. A lot of people say, what is that all about? Well, what happens is in the late fall, early spring, water freezes. So a lot of people have problems with their door freezing to the ground. Well, with our product, when you have this installed on the bottom of your seal, this lifts up, so this pops and peels like an ice cube with an ice tray. So that's the bottom sealer, and our product goes from rail to rail, so we seal everything up, even that last half inch from the door to the rail.